Developed by a collaboration between Flintshire County Council and the Flintshire Social Enterprise Partnership, the innovative Flintshire Social Impact Toolkit during the period of April 1st, 2025 to March 31st, 2026 has recorded a social value of £9,503,955. This figure was identified by the full audit carried out by the Flintshire County Council and is up to more than £5 million on last year's reporting of £4.2 million and is based on better reporting performance by participating social enterprises supported by Flintshire County Council, increased service delivery by participating organisations, social enterprises developing new activities to meet the needs of increased numbers of residents, additional activities measured within the toolkit. Flintshire County Council and the stakeholder group are continually exploring the opportunity to report on new activities. Participating social enterprises will be issued with a certificate demonstrating their social value, which can be used to support funding applications, leave it in finance, support tender submissions and raise the profile of their organisations. This year's highlights include 254,000 people assess the services provided by Flintshire-based social enterprises. Training hours, 8,720 delivered. 27,000 hours of support provided. 4,128 hospital beds freed up. £3,985,069 reinvested into the sector to provide new further services to residents. £230,000 of food assistance provided to residents of Flintshire. Over 11,000 hours of professional advice given. £540,127 of extra income identified and secured for residents. Over £100,000 of donations or subsidies provided to residents accessing the goods and services of social enterprises. Over 22,000 hours of soft skills development. This year's Tools Kit has been amended to automatically match the reported activities against the 7 pillars of the Wellbeing of Future Generations for Wales Act 2015, allowing social enterprises to demonstrate how their mission aligns directly with Welsh public policy, unlocking procurement opportunities and satisfy the criteria of Welsh funding organisations.